Happy New Year. Did you suck last year? Do you want to be better this year? I'm the Maker Monster, and I've got an idea that I think will help you keep your resolutions this year. Imagine if you had a physical box, like a thing on the wall that you put your own money into, and then if you didn't do what you said you're gonna do, you hit a button and it shreds it right in front of you. I think that would work. So I'm gonna try to make that.
It's the Maker Monster Show! The Maker Monster Show! The Maker Monster Show!
So the plan is, I'm gonna have a shredder here, and I'm gonna have a dollar here. Don't block my face. Shredder here, dollar here, got a little motor here. It's gonna feed the dollar into the shredder. It's gonna go like that. So, first I gotta make the dollar part. The little part where we're gonna hold the dollar, motor, feed the dollar down. Alright, let's see if I can figure it out. Let's make sure this thing works first. Oh man, that was perfect! Oh man. Okay, so that's the dollar feeder part. And now for the shredder part, I'm gonna use this little mini shredder. I'm just gonna cut this off. Shove it in there, throw money in it. All right, so now I got this. I've got these guys, and I've got this big old button. Now I just gotta put them all together in a little box. Okay, now I gotta take this piece, cut this middle part out here so you can see the dollar through it. Cutting out the middle so I can see the money. Alright, now I gotta take this bottom piece, cut a slot in it so the dollar bits can fall through. Now I just gotta make holes for this big old button and then the little power jack. Now it's time to put it together and paint it, I guess. You probably can't see it, but it's working perfectly! Okay, here's the test. Oh, that was perfect. It worked. It worked exactly how I wanted it to. Okay, now for the real test. I'm gonna take this crispy $100 bill and I'm gonna put it in there. And then I'm going to make the resolution, the declaration, that for the entirety of 2019, I will upload every other week. And if I don't, I'm going to do this. That was a fake dollar, don't worry. But I'm going to put a real one in there. And if I do, you know, shred it. I hope I don't. But if I do, if I have to shred it, I'll live stream it.